Hey everybody, I must say it's been quite a while since I have done a video of an older eMachines computer. This is a freebie that was brought to me after yeah, I guess catastrophically failed. It's an old machine that they never used for quite a while and they want to get rid of it. This is one of the eMachines computers from the early 2000s that is equipped with the infamous Bestech ATX 25012E power supply, the motherboard killer supply. And I'm not sure if you heard that that noise about 15-20 seconds ago. That is a loose component inside the power supply. The power supply in this thing catastrophically failed, like many of them had. The 5-volt standby burnt up, and yeah, it was on from there. So today I'm going to take the cover off of this and have a look at it. Remember back, what, 2 to 4 years ago, I did a lot more videos of these things. Back when, you know, they were still more common. But, yeah, it's definitely been a while. Now, have a look here. This motherboard, this is the Imperial model. Commonly found in many of the older eMachines computers. Now, by looking at this motherboard, I don't see any blown caps, nothing like that. There's one over there that came on Mom's eMachine many years ago, which I've already pulled the caps off of, but pretty much all the caps on it were bulging near the CPU. However, this one is fully equipped, well, mostly equipped with Rubicons. So, at least it did have some decent caps on there. We got a 4GB Western Digital hard drive. Now somebody's been in this thing, I can tell you that, because both this connector and this connector are already disconnected. So it makes me wonder if somebody has tried a different power supply in this to see if it would work. Now let's see how much RAM this thing has. You see 256 megabytes. Guys, this eMachine appears to be completely original. Let's see, 40 gig hard drive, 2 GHz Celeron processor, 256 megabytes of RAM. A budget machine from the early 2000s with Windows XP. Now let's grab a power supply and plug it up and see if this thing even works at all. Now obviously you guys I'm not going to plug in that guy. Now I bet you it's catastrophically failed. And I think I'll do another video just solely on this afterwards. So stay tuned. Let's go and grab a power supply. Alright, need a moment of truth, people. Let's see if this eMachine has any life to it. There's everything plugged in. As I mentioned, there's a weird placement of the ATX plug on the motherboard. Oh, those are in. I didn't plug in the floppy. Let's just go ahead and do that, like it really matters. Yeah, let's see if it got any life to it. Look at there! CMOS battery's dead. Of course, this thing is 12 years old. Well, isn't that something? This eMachine actually survived the death of its power supply. No doubt. Now I'm going to temporarily set the date and time. I'm probably going to change that battery while I'm at it. See if I remember what I was doing back in 2002 on the date this thing was set to. It's not seeing the hard disk. It is definitely not. It's set to auto. Possibly it could be a bad cable. You never know. Hard drive is running, however. But yeah. Look at there. Thing is actually running. Now I'm not going to boot into Windows to protect the owner, the previous owner's, information. Not going to show it on YouTube. But yeah, that's amazing. So anyways, kind of surprising, but this is an eMachine that actually survived the death of its power supply. So anyways, thanks for watching.